bigger the image is, the slower I have to go. Because in a small size, a movement from one side to the other is in 1 second makes 50 centimeter. And if you go big, it makes in 1 second, it makes 5 meters. So the speed is much faster with size. And here you see Davide Legittimo welding the cables. This is my sister Tamara as a health angel, and today is her birthday with her twin sister, which is also my sister. Yeah, she's the one who did do the pillows. Yeah, I would like to take the chance to introduce my crew. So this was the one with the blonde hair is Davide Legittimo. I have 3 permanent people working with me, and then Rachele Giudici. She's the studio manager, so time and yeah, she holds us together. Time management and yeah, telephones, emails, and it's the girlfriend of Davide, so I work with a couple, which is very comfortable, and because then they work till 12 o'clock. This is Evelina, who came to the opening. She's the actor, the main actor in Lungenflügel and in Pepperminta and in the Venice piece. She's from Krakow, a performer, a dancer, trained in Belgium. And then Nikki, she is internship, and she is since 10 years always dressed in pink. Her mother thought it's only a small phasis, but and she made this time-lapse movie in the Ted Noten golden wagon. You can see a time-lapse of the upbuilding of the installation. And then 2 freelancers, Dave and also an internship, so who came to help us. And here is Han Neefkens, who supported the exhibition and mainly also will support the permanent piece we are planning to do in the staircase, which will open this summer. And there, of course, Ciara. No. Then is Grete, my best friend. I learned all the technical things of her, and we are still collaborating. She is installing all the complicated installation which already became a certain form. So I'm traveling when I have to do new things, and if it's an older thing in a group exhibition, it's her to install it. And here you see Edina helping with special effects and slow motion, calculating pictures in between when we make a slow motion, because slow motion would then, after a certain speed going down, become like this. And there is some programs where we can calculate pictures in between, because the foreground moves faster than the background, and so the in-between pictures are not just a dissolve, and that is what she's specialized in. Then this is a CD from Les Reines Prochaines, the band I played in from 88 to 94, and they are still playing. They had just 20 years anniversary of playing, and brought all the people who have once played with them together. And here a CD as a little catalog from a Spanish exhibition. We made a soundtrack CD from the last 16 years installation soundtracks. And here are all the people I have collaborated. Sade Turkes, Lerain Prochain, Anders Kukkisberg, and also traditional Swiss music band with traditional music called Gruß von Wallensee. That is a sister work of Selfless in Lavabad, the one where the figure asks, take her out of the hell. And this work is permanently installed in Frankfurt. And this human runs around the house and the camera goes away and has the question, take me away from world. And it only starts when you go in and then has a light barrier and turns off. And for this work I have no still because it's a closed circuit. Means it's an infrared camera, and when you go to the toilet, you see beautiful actions, and it's a pity that we not see the flushing. Even the flushing is beautiful, but the line, the cable is visible, so everybody knows it's not taken somewhere else. And when I'm asked to do something permanent, most of the time I prefer not to do video or sound, because even the nicest sound becomes annoying after a certain time, or the video has to be refreshed. Our brain functions with stills for many years, but if it's moving, it becomes boring much faster. So when the Swiss embassy asked me to do something in Berlin, I proposed them a machine with 6 different leaves. On one side, photorealistic, and on the other side, a poem. And that every 10 minutes, it blows such a very thin paper we have printed for the next 15 years. It's only 1 square meter material for 15 years. Goes out to the Tierpark. The Swiss embassy is next to the Reichstag, and then melts with the other leaves of the park. There's the machine outside, is waterproof, and here you see a leaf trying to go to the Reichstag, or to the parliament. That's the shortest poem. Here comes down. Then another work is a bubble machine. It's called, the name of the work is Nothing. So then when they write me, they say nothing is working, then I'm happy. It blows out soap bubbles and then filled with smoke, disco smoke. Looks like work from a Japanese artist.